taxman's taken all my dough and left me in my stately home, blazing on a sunny afternoon. And I can't sail my yacht, he's taken everything I got. All I've got's this sunny afternoon. Save me, save me, save me from this squeeze. I got a big fat mama trying to break me, and I love to live so pleasantly, live this life of luxury, blazing on a sunny afternoon. In the summertime, in the summertime, in the summertime. My girlfriend's run off with my car and gone back to her ma and pa, telling tales of drunkenness and cruelty. Now I'm sitting here, sipping at my ice cool beer, blazing on the sunny afternoon. Help me, help me, help me sail away. Well, give me 2 good reasons why I ought to stay. 'Cause I love to live so pleasantly, live this life of luxury, blazing on a sunny afternoon. In the summertime, in the summertime, in the summertime. Ah, save me, save me, save me from this squeeze. I got a big fat mama trying to break me, and I love to live so pleasantly, live this life of luxury, blazing on a sunny afternoon. In the summertime, in the summertime, in the summertime, in the summertime, in the summertime. Everybody's working out at the gymnasium, pumping iron, getting fit, ready to compete. Everybody working on their own body heat, everybody hustling out on the street. Julian is out there looking at locations, Arthur's on the picket line winding up the nation. Sarah Jane's working on her way to a degree, but back in the gymnasium they're working out and body popping. It's gotta stop because it's getting too hot. Cool it down cause it's getting too hot. It's getting crazy going over the top. It's too hot, it's too hot, it's too hot, it's too hot. All the kids are working out, they're on the way to fame. Alpha's on the wall, oh, there it comes again. They sit now he's really got the muscle. Julian's over budget, now he's really got to hustle. And Sarah Jane's living on bad takeaways and working as a stripper on a school holiday. Squeezy Town gets me down, wants some peace and quiet. The police are everywhere like there's gonna be a riot. But back in the gymnasium they're training for a war. Think of all the fun we had in 1984. It's gotta stop because it's getting too hot. I'll cool it down cause it's getting too hot. It's getting crazy going over the top. It's too hot, it's too hot, it's too hot, it's too hot, it's too hot. Gotta cool it down, too hot. Turn the heating down, too hot. The temperature is up, it's too hot, it's too hot. Something better comes tomorrow. Hoping all the verses rhyme and the very best of choruses to follow all the doubt and sadness. I know that better things are on the way. Here's hoping all the days ahead won't be as bitter as the ones behind you. Be an optimist instead, and somehow happiness will find you. Forget what happened yesterday. I know that better things are on the way. It's really good to see you rocking out and having fun, living like you've just begun, accepting life and what it brings. I hope tomorrow you'll find better things. Tomorrow you'll find better things. Here's wishing you the bluest sky and hoping something better comes tomorrow. Hoping all the verses rhyme and the very best of choruses too. Follow all the doubt and sadness. I know that better things are on the way. I know you got a lot of good things happening up ahead. The past is gone, it's all been said. So here's to what the future brings. I know tomorrow you'll find better things. I know tomorrow Everybody's in movies, doesn't matter who you are. There are stars in every city, in every house and on every street. And if you walk down Hollywood Boulevard, their names are written in concrete. Don't step on Greta Garbo as you walk down the boulevard. She looks so weak and fragile, that's why she tried to be so hard. But they turned her into a princess, and they sat her on a throne. But she turned her back on stardom, because she wanted to be alone. You can see all the stars as you walk down Hollywood Boulevard. Some that you recognize, some that you've hardly even heard of. People who worked and suffered and struggled for fame. Some who succeeded and some who suffered in vain. Looks very much alive, and he looks up ladies' dresses as they sadly pass him by. Avoid stepping on Bela Lugosi, 'cause he's liable to turn and bite. But stand close by Betty Davis, because hers was such a lonely life. If you covered him with garbage, George Sanders would still have style. And if you stamped on Mickey Rooney, he would still turn round and smile. But please don't tread on dearest Marilyn, 'cause she's not very tough. She should have been made of iron or steel, but she was only made of flesh and blood. All the stars as you walk down Hollywood Boulevard. Some that you recognize, some that you've hardly even heard of. People who worked and suffered and struggled for fame. Some who succeeded and some who suffered in vain. Everybody's a star, and everybody's in showbiz. It doesn't matter who you are. And those who are successful, be always on your guard. Success walks hand in hand with failure along Hollywood Boulevard. I wish my